Hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this video you will get some tips that spend the least money to make a beautiful and simple decoration idea for your event at home. Hi, this is Jessica from rongroup. This channel mainly share idea for hotel, restaurant and wedding party from the draft design products to the operations. This is the experience what we learn from our business in the one-stop restaurant solution for more than 50 years. During the video, I will show you guys several cases of the decoration design for our customer. If you are interested in wedding party decoration, welcome to subscribe our channel and turn on the small bell. So, without further ado, here are the recommended decoration your wedding. And if you are getting up a wedding event, want to get decoration idea, don't miss it. The first one, keep it simple. Actually, simplicity is beauty. With a simple element, make it more aesthetic. Generally, we can put plants and candle holder to enrich the environment. The second, choice of chair. The choice of chair is based on the wedding theme of the couple, as chair not only reflect the style of wedding party decoration, also make the guests feel comfortable. So chair is an indispensable part of the wedding banquet scene. Renting a chair is a good choice when the budget is limited. You can choose the style you like and also match chair cover or tie to decorative, so that we can upgrade the wedding level without spending too much money. The third, arrange your own bakers. The bakers put on the table can become the important tool to embellish the wedding scene. I think we can choose hydrangeas as they are grown in greenhouse all year round, which makes them less costly and they are most readily available. Basically, when seasoned flowers are in season, they are the best quality and most affordable. Also, it's a good choice, so that you can spend the least money to decorate the wedding. Okay, let's talk to the backdrop. This part we can DIY by ourselves. I will recommend some elements suited for all wedding themes, just like the hydrangea, white rose, pink rose, branches, focus, leaves, balloon. Then you can, according to your wedding theme, to DIY. Spend the least money and easy to get a unique backdrop. Here there are some style for your guys for reference that we hope can be used for your DIY the backdrop. Okay, the 5, table setting. About the table decoration can embellish with candle holder and fresh fruit, and the dinnerware and glassware, including the candle holder, all we can offer the cheapest price for you. And the most important, that after wedding, those can be sold to the wedding rental company. I think that is a win-win situation. Not only can choose your favorite, also help you save a lot of money. Yes, the 6th, cake stand. Then to the desert cake table. That's the simplest part. We just need to choose a tablecloth match the wedding themes. Put a range of cupcakes and gems. We can do so for a little cost that can be key design in the wedding decoration. The 7th point, decoration lighting. If you want to make your party feel more brighter, I think can put some decoration lighting. Then atmosphere will be so touching and warm. It can also use in the birthday and anniversary groups using this high cost effective. That is another way for save money. Do you think so? Okay, last one, dance floor. The last one at the wedding, the groom will dance with the bride or their family. It is a special touch. So we just need to leave a space in the center of the stage and need some small spotlights, and the party atmosphere will be very strong. I hope what I mentioned above can be useful. And the next issue will introduce some idea for the interior design. So, if you guys want to know more about wedding decoration idea in the future, please let me know, and feel free to drop on any topics you wanna see. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and share if you found this useful. And if you want to learn about the products details from us, please contact on WhatsApp below. And if you also want to learn restaurant table chair design, welcome to subscribe our channel and turn on the small bell. Then you will not miss it. See you. Bye.